is Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Ford Mustang 2+2 fastback. Killer little car, guys. We took it in on trade. Gentleman traded it in. Nathan actually dealt with him. I think he said him and his wife have owned this car for 14 years. This is an older restoration that he just spent a bunch of money on going through the drivetrain. So the body and paint are older. We're figuring about 20 years old. Still very nice, but yes, there's some, you can pick it. Love the color combination. Raven black with sorry, I know it's hard to hear with all this traffic we got out here. Raven black with a Firethorn red Shelby striping, and they did the interior in Shelby Thorn red and white. Very, very cool car. It's got a set of modern Cobra chrome wheels on it. Built 289. He said it's built to HiPo specs. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, Holley Sniper fuel injection kit. And again, it's got the Shelby look-alike with the hood and the front valance. Good looking car. It's got the GT front fog lights. I love this color, man. That is slick. Love how they did that interior. Super cool. It's got a really cool custom console in it. It's got the GT rear valance. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Car straight down the sides. Pretty car. Love the color. I mean, it just really jumps. The stripes done in that Firethorn red. Front disc brakes. Again, that's a modern Mustang Cobra wheel. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, good running 302. It's got headers on it. Holley Sniper EFI. Weiand aluminum intake. Power steering, power front disc brakes, and you see they've got the upgraded master cylinder. There's something on the air he said we got that I can't remember, a relay or something we got to fix. So we have to do something for the AC, but we checked it. It does kick on. I think they said the relay's bad. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. And again, he just spent a bunch of money going through the drivetrain on this car. I love this color combo. Just so cool. If you want something a little different, you can pick your A-pillar chrome there a little bit, and dual chrome mirrors. There's your door tag. I think it was a factory white car. And again, I love how they did this interior. This color was not available, so they've had somebody do that. And it is slick. I love it. Factory pony. It's got the pony interior in it. It's got the fold down rear seat. Headliner looks great. That's a custom center console, which is very cool. Comes right out if you don't like it because it's not original. It's got the wood wheel showing 65,000. I'm sure that's, well, it might actually be an original. Gauges look nice and clean. Again, it's got aftermarket AC. It's got a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, Retrosounds radio. That is an autograph. That's autographed by Carroll Shelby. He does have the letter of authenticity in the glove box for it. And also he's got an extra one here. If you look, if you want to, you can see there's a crack in your paint there that you can pick. That would be the worst thing that I would say on the car. Everything else, like I say, you can nitpick it. It's 20-year-old paint, so don't think it's brand new paint. It's still very nice, plenty of shine. And it's good paint, but like I say, you can pick it. There's your extra glove box door. I guess when he would go to car shows, he would take that off so somebody didn't steal his glove box door with a Shelby autograph on it. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Got a pretty good gear in it too. I can't remember what it was, but it has got a pretty good gear in it with that 5-speed though. You can still get on the expressway. Might be a 350. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I do not think Ford made that color red. I think it was just more of a bright red. Definitely, they've redone the seats or repadded, refoamed. This is even kind of a pearl color on the interior. Again, if you don't like this center console, it comes right out. It's not bolted in. They're made to set in there. I've got a few like that in personal cars. I like them. I like to drive in the morning with coffee. When you're shifting gears, you need someplace to set your coffee. Plenty of power, car runs out strong. Good looking front on those cars. Good oil pressure. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Good sound. Radio works, again, the blower motor works. We are going to have to check into that AC. We'll make sure it's working for well. Oh, the other thing I couldn't get to come on was the wipers. We will check those too. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.